yeah. Purple in the sky, cruising Highway 85. Thought I saw a shooting star, even in your haunted eyes. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday the 29th. Today's Friday the 29th, March the 29th. Next week is my 25th birthday. I'm so excited about it. I kind of want to document it, you know, because I actually documented my 24th birthday. I vlogged it, edited it, but I haven't actually posted it. So I think I'm going to post it next Thursday on my actual birthday so that I have a video up for you guys and just so I can post it. And every time I like go back and watch that footage, I'm just like, wow, I had such a great day. I am turning 25, so I'm super excited about it. I haven't been excited about a birthday in such a long time, and I think it was just because I was in school. You know, I wasn't able to be with my sisters, which is like a big deal to me. I don't really care to plan like huge things, but anytime I did plan something, by the time I came home, it was like trying to get everybody to meet up at the same time, trying to do stuff in the city like where you have to have your whole party there. Oh, it's just so much hoopla. So every year I just wasn't really excited about my birthday. Like last year my birthday was just a hot mess because I had ended up switching units to go to night shift. So my schedule was kind of just, they just put me where they needed me versus me actually getting to like choose and have a say, just because I switched to the unit after the scheduling period had already been discussed. So I had worked the day before my birthday, 2 days after my birthday, was off on the day, but then it was just a mess. So I didn't even want to celebrate my 24th birthday, which 4 is like a really big number for me. So my friends were just like, we got this, Cass. So they kind of had like a surprise dinner for me, and it was so beautiful and just stress-free, and I was actually very surprised and excited. It was so much fun. I loved them for it. So yeah, I actually filmed that, so I'm gonna put that vlog up for you guys. So for my birthday photo shoot, I have this like idea in my head, and I'm recruiting my sisters to help me do it tomorrow. So I need to do my hair. I'm super tired. Today's really long. I actually just got off of my 3rd shift this morning, but my sisters wanted to go to this day party, so I slept for like 2 or 3 hours and then we went. So now I'm just like super tired. I can't even like hang, but I have to get my hair, like I have to do my hair tonight, because if I don't, then my photos are not going to be the way that I want them to. So I'm gonna flexi rod them. I already have my dress that I'm gonna wear for tomorrow. I actually got it on clearance at Rainbow. I love Rainbow. It's the cutest little like nudish dress, and then I have these really cute shoes from Forever 21 that I want to wear as well. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of document this week like I said before, and I'm super excited. I just want to be able to watch this and be like, okay, Cass, 25, you know? I don't know, I'm just so excited about it this year.
What's going on, people? I know it's been a while since you checked in. Goddamn, Big Boy Q, Big Boy, just go follow me on IG. Just want to say, you know, everything's going good. You know, life's great. Love you, peeps. See you later.
morning, guys. It is the 30th. Today's the 30th. I'm currently eating some avocado toast. It's guacamole, y'all. My little avocado definitely spoiled. I was like, I opened it this morning. I was like, it was black on the outside, and I was like, maybe I can chance it. Y'all know it was scary in there. And then I had some bacon on the side. It's still good. It's pre-made guacamole from Aldi's, the spicy kind. So yummy. Much too good for children. And then of course, some agua to start my day. My sister had to stop by and get some stuff from the store, so I decided to stop her because it's on the way. So I have these earrings in from Forever 21. My hair came out fabulous. I love it. Yeah, so I have my wicker chair that you see in my room. She's gonna be in the shoot. I got rose gold 25 balloons. I should have got gold. I'm like, but also like the color from my party is like a rose gold pink peaks. She's coming back. She's just crying and hooping and hollering in the car because her mom isn't in here. But yeah, I got rose gold because like the theme of my party is like a rose gold pinkish color. So it'll go with the party, but it won't really go with my shoot. But I'm still gonna put them in a picture or two. So Kiko, leave me alone. So yeah, it came out nice, my makeup and everything. I didn't bring an extra lippy, so I need to be extra careful with my lips today. I want to take these pictures like boom, boom, pow, and be done. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited. I'm doing everything that I said I wanted to do. That's like my mood, you know? So I'm stoked about it. So yeah, we're about to drive to, like, I want to take them in like a wheat pasture type area. And my little sister, one of her best friends, that's like literally her backyard. Like if you walk into her backyard, then after, like, it's like what I'm looking for. So that's where we're headed, and then we're gonna take the pictures there. I am excited. I'm really stoked about this. I truly am. Just took my pictures, guys. This was the background I wanted. Can you see that? Is it in focus? But yeah, this is the background that I wanted for my pictures, and Fafan's best friend's backyard came through, y'all. It came through. Look at my sisters.
Look, this is my production team, my creative team. We have Velo, cameraman extraordinaire. Ooh, and Fafan, reflector holder of the century, honey. She gave me the gold lights. These pictures came out exactly how I envisioned them, if not better. I'm happy I decided not to be a plain Jane and use the silver side of my reflector. I'd use the gold. Y'all, I feel like Desi Perkins. Honestly, I'm serving you everything you need. I will drop some of them in here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to edit them. I'm gonna attempt to edit on Photoshop for the first time. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, it's super gorgeous back here. The wind is blowing. Great time.